Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Let's analyze Bank Nifty first. If you go through my yesterday's video, I was stressing on 54,240 levels. If at all Bank Nifty sustains above these levels for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, there is a good possibility up move might be there. I was also stressing that if at all that levels couldn't able to sustain, there is a good amount of unfinished business at yesterday's close, which is 2.1k, and you have good amount of unfinished business at 54,000 also. Likely the prices will come down all the way towards these levels if Bank Nifty wouldn't have sustained those 54,240 levels. But if you look today, opening itself is far above the 3-day balance, indicating that directional traders are there. But then Bank Nifty started sustaining above those levels with a good amount of strong buying imbalances at second 30 minutes, or it could be at 11:15 candle. Strong buying imbalances are there, and delta itself is not very good, so there is a good sideway market. And then what happened at 2:15, there was a strong spike with 7.2k delta. So here itself there is a strong buying imbalances, and so for tomorrow what you should be looking at is the value area itself is a higher high, and the value is around 54,380 to 54,540 levels. So the high itself today it has formed at 54,640 levels, and the high itself doesn't have any kind of selling tail, indicating that this is a strong poor high. Likely this price will get revisited, and we have a strong PPOC at 54,435 levels. So for tomorrow, if at all there is going to be a flat opening, you can expect the whole value area to be covered, and likely if at all prices spends in this area itself tomorrow itself, let's assume it will go for 54,640 levels. So for any kind of down move, Bank Nifty needs to get accepted below 54,180 to 170 levels. If at all it gets accepted, then you will see whatever the unfinished business which I have shown in yesterday's video all the way up down to 54,020 levels. If at all there is going to be a huge gap up, look for the prices sustaining above 54,700 to 720 levels. So if Bank Nifty sustains above these levels, you will see 55,000 maximum by Monday. This is with the Bank Nifty in brief, guys. And now coming to Nifty. As you all know, Nifty itself today, it's a monthly expiry. Yesterday I was stressing on 25,970 to 995 levels, which is a strong single print area. If at all Nifty doesn't sustain first 30 minutes to 1 hour, there is a good possibility Nifty will likely come and test this and look for buying opportunities. Gap up is there today, but never Nifty came down towards these levels, indicating that there is a strong buying pressure. Not only that, if you look at the first 30 minutes itself has very good buying imbalances. You have good amount of buying imbalances in second 30 minutes, and there is a one time framing market all the way up to 12:15. At 12:45 there is a good pullback, but that pullback itself is not very strong. The reason is, first thing is you have a hop back around 26,061, which should be revisited. At the same time, pullback low itself has multiple gaps here, because there is a passive buyer who came in the pullback low. There was a up move, but then up move also had not sustained. 1.4k passive seller is there, he stopped the up move. Then there was a down move, a good deep pullback, which I have updated in the Telegram group. All the way down to the hop back has been covered, and second candle low also has been covered, but the low itself has not broken. As there is a down move, 2.8k passive buyer has come at the lows at 145 pullback. He stopped the down move, and then there was a up move covering all the gap whatever is there in 115 candle. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking, it's very important, you should note these levels to 26,145 levels to 26,215 levels is a good single print. Actually there are two single prints. For tomorrow, today's high is going to be your reference points. If at all Nifty sustains for, let's say, 30 minutes to 1 hour above 26,280 to 300 levels, you will see a good up move at some point of time. From tomorrow, Nifty will be October futures, so there could be a sideways market because October futures itself are trading at 80 points premium from the current price. So if at all there is going to be a huge gap up around 26,300, don't expect the prices all the way come down to this single print. But if at all, let's say the global markets ends up highly negative, then if at all there is going to be a flat opening or a gap down opening around these levels, around these single prints, then you can expect some kind of pullback towards this first single print or second single print. For any kind of further down move, Nifty needs to get accepted below 26,135, which is today's value area high. If it accepts below 26,130 to 135 levels, then you will see easily 26,090 levels and value area low at 26,030, and easily you can even see 25,990, which is the single print from yesterday. This is with gap down, which is less likely. If at all there is going to be a flat opening, look for buying opportunity once Nifty gets rejected either at this single print or this single print. So don't look for any kind of shorting opportunities, because that is going to be a very disaster. The rule with these single prints is that never short above the single prints or never buy below the single prints. If you are looking for any kind of live market updates, you can join my Telegram channel by clicking the link in the description, or if you are keen on learning market profile and order flow charts, you can click the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.